This video will cover the installation process of the SCC-30 and SCC-50. Both models are available with and without a drain pump. It is recommended to purchase the ice machine that matches your installation application. If needed, you can convert from one to another. The model number can be used to identify what type you have. We will be using a gravity model because it will be draining into this floor drain. Later in the video, we will cover the pump model installation. The installation location must have access to drain, electric, and water. The machine should be on its own dedicated circuit with no other appliances or devices on the outlet. If the machine is being installed under a counter, confirm that there is adequate clearance for the installation. The ice machine relies on airflow through the toe kick. Never obstruct the toe kick area. The location and the environment of the ice machine will directly affect its production. The unit will perform best in an air-conditioned environment with good air circulation. Gather the needed materials for the installation. For gravity installations, kink-resistant tubing is a must. Look for a thicker wall tubing. For pump model installations, the use of a dishwasher tailpiece can provide an easy drain access point. It is recommended to use a panel access cover when routing the drains through cabinetry. This will allow greater visibility to ensure the drain lines are not kinked and no leaks are present. Inspect the equipment for any signs of damage. Cut the binding and lift the box straight up. Look over the machine again for any signs of damage. If everything looks good, remove the hardware packet and any packing material. Remove the stainless protectant. The use of a razor knife or even removing the panels can help with cleaner removal. Then go ahead and install the protective lid caps that can be found in the plastic hardware bag. Use a Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws holding the service panel and the toe kick in place. Gather the needed fittings and water supply tubing to connect to your water supply. To ensure that no debris gets flushed into the ice machine, flush for at least 1 minute. The water supply line will hook to the water inlet valve located in the front of the machine. Route the water line through the back of the unit to the valve and then connect. For a typical gravity drain line installation, route the drain tube through the back of the machine. Place a hose clamp on the drain tube and then slide it over the barbed fitting. Tighten the hose clamp and route the drain tube back to the floor drain. Ensure that it is pitched so that the water runs to the floor drain. For pre-planned installations with the floor drain located below the ice machine, remove the base pan cover. Then remove the hose clamp that is securing the 90-degree barbed fitting. Connect a straight 5/8 barb connector and secure with the hose clamp that was just removed. Then cut a section of drain tubing to slide over the barb fitting and secure with hose clamp. For installations where a floor drain is not available, the pump model should be used. Pump models are capable of pumping the water up one story and make the ideal choice for basements and below grade applications. Start by routing the drain line from the ice machine to the drain termination. In this case, we will be terminating into a dishwasher tailpiece mounted below the sink. As you can see, a 4-inch hole was drilled to allow full visibility to ensure that the drain line is not kinked and there are no signs of water leaks. The hole was then covered using a round access cover plate. It is crucial that the drain line has no kinks and any extra tubing is removed to ensure proper drainage. Plug the ice machine into its own outlet and ensure that there are no other appliances or devices on that circuit. Check to make sure that the machine is level. If needed, adjust the leg levelers and recheck for level. Make sure the spray platform is properly positioned. Lift up the curtain and push down to make sure that it's fully seated. To turn on the SCC30, flip the on-off switch to the on position. For the SCC50, simply press and release the ice making button and the green light will illuminate. Now let's ensure that the bin is draining properly. Pour approximately 1 gallon of water into the bin and watch it drain. Closely inspect the internal compartments and check for any signs of water leaks. Correct as needed. Continue on to the back of the machine and check all connections and ensure that there is no kinked tubing. Return all the panels to their original position, wipe down any fingerprints, and sanitize the bin interior and ice scoop. This will conclude the installation of the SCC30 and SCC50. Thanks for watching.